20 साल पढ़ाई करने के बाद भी हमें ये नहीं बताया जाता है दैट हाउ टू, ये कोई प्रोडक्ट और सर्विसेज नहीं है जो कि आप इस पर लिमिटेशन आप इतना ही प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हो. देयर इज़ नो शॉर्टेज ऑफ. Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you all are doing well, and in this particular video I'm gonna share the 3 lessons from the book 10x Rule by Grant Cardone. I just start listening the audiobook of the 10x Rule, and it was really so much amazing book that I can say that, and I have just finished maybe 25 to 30%, and out of that I'm gonna share the 3 lessons from the book which is literally change your mindset. How you see the success, it's literally change your mindset, and all the 3 points is related to success. So before we're gonna jump into the video, make sure you just subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified when I upload new video. Now let's begin the video. Actually, see, I'm just listening the book 10x Rule by Grant Cardone, and I have finished 3 or 4 chapter from there, and I have got a lot more knowledge about the success, and that is literally change your mindset. So number 1 is that success is important. Number 2 is that treat success as your duty. Treat success is your duty. Third one is that there is no shortage of success. So in this particular video we're going to share that 3 points in deep, a little bit deep. That number 1 is success is important. Second one is that treat success as your duty, and third one is that there is no shortage of success. So let's begin. So number 1 thing is that success is so very important. See, to survive our body we need food, we need water, we need air or oxygen, whatever you say that. Same like that, we have to treat success that it's need to survive ourselves. That's why success is so very important in our life. If you're not treating success in your life as an important part, then how do you think that you are going to be successful? Can you imagine that if you're thinking that success is not important for me, and if you also wanted that I'll be going to successful, it's never ever going to happen. It's never ever going to happen. So you have to treat or take success as an important part of your life. If you're not taking that, you're not going to be successful. Now second one is that treat success as your duty or obligation. See, 17 साल 18 साल इवन 20 साल पढ़ाई करने के बाद भी हमें ये नहीं बताया जाता है that how to be successful. And as Grant Cardone said that in their 90s or 20s, that while he just have completed their normal education from the college, he was just so much frustrated. He was drinking a lot because there is in their life there is no any direction that where they have to go. Where he was going. But once he realizes that success is my duty. Success is so very important for me, and if it is duty, then I have to complete and do that particular duty from my heart. See, if you're not going to take as so much seriously, if you're not going to treat success as your duty, so what will be happen? As we see the people, but at the same time see the people who are taking success as their duty. And see, while we are on our job is just whatever you say that's your duty, then you are by forcefully or whatever you are doing that particular thing. So you have to take success as your duty, as your obligation, not like चलो भाई सक्सेस हो गया तो भी अच्छी बात है, नहीं हुआ तो भी अच्छी बात है. If you have that kind of attitude related to success, you're never ever going to be successful. हो ही नहीं सकते. It's not possible. So you have to take success as your duty, and that literally blown my mind. That if you start taking success as our duty, then what we do actually? How we can use our time in so productive manner, because time is very limited, and so that we can get success in that particular time duration. Okay, and now move ahead, and third one is that there is no shortage of success. ये कोई प्रोडक्ट और सर्विसेज नहीं है कि आप इतना ही सामान या इतना ही प्रोडक्ट इसको प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हो. That's why there is no any shortage of success. That's only have a kind of mentality in the peoples that there is a shortage of success kind of thing, but actually not. If you're taking success just like there is a shortage of success, then if that means you are treating success as what, some kind of commodity, some kind of product or services, which is actually not, which is, you're absolutely wrong here. So you have to change your perception related to success. And so that all the 3 points is so very important for each and everyone who wanted to be successful. And that's, see, it's some small part of that particular book. And in coming forward videos, I'll gonna also share the next I can say that learning from the book. And as you know that I'm just documenting whatever I'm doing, so that's all about. So that's it. I hope you got the value from that particular video, that success is important. Treat success as your duty, and there is no shortage of success. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I hope you got the value. If you got the value from this video, please share this video to other people so that they get benefited from this video as well. And that's it. So as always, keep smiling and be happy, and thank you very much.